So today's video is just a really short quick one about how to identify a laminate glass. I was working on this Bentley recently, taking out this door dent across the body line. Now nearly every Bentley I work on has laminate windows, as do a lot of Mercedes and Jeeps. So very important to be able to identify if it's laminate glass fitted before you start doing your door repair. So I'm now taking an aerial view looking down at the top of the glass, and hopefully you can see it is two panels bonded together. So just here, that yellow line indicates the center point where those two separate panels are bonded. Sometimes it might also identify in the text on the window here, it may say laminate or give you some form of code, but to be honest, the easiest thing to do is just have a look around the outer edge, and here you can clearly see it's two separate pieces kind of bonded together. So that's the quickest, easiest way to identify if you're working on laminate windows. Now the laminate is very strong on the kind of center section, but it can be very fragile and a lot more chance of kind of fracturing or shattering around the outer edge. So you really have to be careful on your setup and exactly what part you are leveraging on. So right now I've got a microfiber cloth, just give me a little bit of a buffer between the window and the window guard, but most importantly I do not have this window all the way down to the bottom. So often if it's at the bottom, as you start applying your wedge or putting a tool in, you can fracture that upper section. So I've got this one about 3-4 inches up from that bottom section, and that means by the time my window board goes in, my wedge or my tool, I'm not levering off the very edge of the panel or the glass where it sits most fragile. So I have found out the hard way, and yes, I have broken a couple of windows, but both times it's because I didn't identify first that it was a laminate window. So hopefully this video will help you at least know what to look for.